Evan says, sorry if this question is kind of confusing. Does the searcher have to use local search terms for local SEO to work? I.e., if the searcher is located in Orlando and searches just carpet cleaning, will content related to carpet cleaning in Orlando, Florida still rank? Yes. What about less local type of searches like auto insurance? Well, it depends on what, like, Google is guessing at what the intent of the search is. And so, like, carpet cleaning, that can be an informational query as well as a query with local intent, right? With local search intent. Like, in other words, Google is going to take a guess. If you just search for carpet cleaning in Google, then Google is going to probably return a mix of results that is satisfies informational search intent, where you're looking for just more information about carpet cleaning, maybe carpet cleaning methods, carpet cleaning chemicals, things like that, carpet cleaning products, etc. Or it will likely also show, and we can test this. Let's just go to also, but being logged into Google will also change what it thinks you're, because Google is applying it, what it understands about you, the person, the profile, the Google user profile, to also manipulate the search results based upon what it thinks you are searching for, right? So I'm not logged into this. I'm in Firefox now, which I always use for not, I'm never logged into Firefox ever. So I just use Firefox for doing search queries where I'm not logged in. But when you're logged into Google, it can change the search results because, again, Google is applying all of its user profile data to what it shows you in the search results. That is, Google is definitely customizing search results more and more as it collects more and more data on us, just so you're aware. But we can just do it. Like, for example, if I search carpet cleaning, you're probably going to see a mix of informational type of stuff plus local stuff, right? You can see it thinks I'm in Illinois because I'm using Starlink as my internet connection, and it thinks I'm in Chicago, I guess, right now. So you see how it's returning local packs, guaranteed Google service ads at the top, just local service ads. Then Google Maps here, right? So that's the Google or local finder, as they call it now. And then, but just below this, now you see this is social media kind of informational type stuff that would typically appear for informational queries, where they're going to have a carousel with Twitter or X posts, right? So you can see that that's exactly what they're doing here. Is they're Google is trying to satisfy different search intents because it's like the intent of the search. It's not sure what the intent of the search was, so it's providing mixed results in that first page of search results, right? But if you specify, if you're more explicit, right, about what your intent is by adding a modifier that makes it more intent or more specific, it clarifies the intent. So, for example, carpet cleaning service is going to return localized search results, like very localized search results, right? You'll see that that big X Twitter carousel is no longer there. Why? Because it's no longer Google understands this is likely not an informational search query. This is a service-based or commercial transactional type of search query where it's got local intent. So, but then how about carpet cleaning if you do near me? Right now, that's absolutely a local search, a search with local intent, right? And so again, this is going to be similar to carpet cleaning service in what it returns. Not the same. It's because, again, notice how there's not the YouTube carousel that there was before, right? So if I go back to carpet cleaning service, you'll see that now there's also some YouTube stuff down here. Why? Because this is videos about carpet cleaning services. I don't know that these are localized, but you can see that Google is favoring this as a local search because you added service. That makes it more specific. That is likely more is more likely, excuse me, a local search query than just carpet cleaning is, right? But then carpet cleaning near me, that is a location modifier. So that is explicitly mentioning making it a local search query, excuse me, because you're adding a location modifier. So near me or a city modifier, etc. That's going to make it a local search for sure, because now you've clarified the intent of the search through what the search query was. Hopefully that's clear. All right. So it depends on the type of search query itself. If Google's unsure about the intent, it's going to provide mixed results based because it's trying to satisfy what the intent of that search was, and it's unsure. But when you have a search query that clarifies the intent of the search, Google is going to return results that satisfy that intent to the best of their ability. That's clear. It's a really good question, Evan.